Good morning, everyone. Today is another day. It's Sunday, guys. So the time now is 10:30 in the morning. So just eat breakfast a little bit and be ready to go out again. We're going back in town. So I don't know if we can go for a swimming pool because we didn't book the swimming pool yet because it's not good weather. Actually, the weather is changed literally and so like yesterday. So supposed to actually the weather today and tomorrow is a bit cloudy. So medyo malamig ngayon, walang araw. Unlike yesterday, sobrang init, guys. Kaya nice na magpunta ng beach. Yesterday is a lot of people in the beach. On the beach kasi nag-swimming. Sa ganda ng weather. So, ngayon is cloudy. So, hopefully, in the afternoon is ano siya, guys. Ang sun is come out. Kasi yung kulot namin ay gusto gusto pa mag-swimming, guys. So, tomorrow is our last day. We check out tomorrow. Then, yeah. Before we go home tomorrow, ay mag-ikot-ikot muna kami sa town at magtambay sa beach ulit. But I don't want to swim again, guys, kasi yung tubig nila dito, init, so kakalbo ka pag araw-araw ka naliligo. So tomorrow, half body lang ang iligo. Kakalbo ka talaga sa sobrang init, hindi siya maano ng medyo malamig. Yung ano yung warm lang siya. So, ano talaga siya mainit. So, ayan lang po, guys. So, it's my birthday, but our cake is only this. we didn't sing happy birthday for me. We don't have candles, but only this one. I bought cake yesterday, so we don't have a candle to blow, guys. So never mind. We eat later in the town, in the high street when we go to the beach. So yan lang po, guys. Florence and Saturday yan. Linis-linis ang kalbo, guys. Nag-swim siya. At yung kolot is jumping on the bed. Hindi pa kami nag-change ng ano. Kaya masarap matulog kasi medyo malamig, unlike like, first night namin. Ang init, ang hirap matulog. Kaya ngayon is cold. So, ganda ng weather namin. Second day, and second night naman today. So, kain muna tayo, guys. Kain muna ako. May bread naman kami dito. Wala ang coffee, guys, kasi walang kettle, walang mainit na tubig. So, yun ang mahirap. Nakakahiya naman manghingi sa kapitbahay, di ba? So, ayan lang po, guys. See you later. Mag-ano muna kami, bago kami pupunta ng ano, before we go to the beach, we rides the what we call that one? Pedals. Magpe-pedals muna kami ng bicycle, guys. Okay. Before we go to the beach. So, I like to go to the beach again. So, ayun, guys. See you later. Ayan, guys. Ito yung ano, yung field dito sa ano, sa malapit sa inanuhan namin. Today is a cloudy na. So, it's a Sunday. We're going to town again, guys, to the beach. Kasi Sunday want to go to the beach. We didn't book the pool, so tomorrow we're leaving. I don't know what time. I don't know if we have time to go to the what do you call that? To the pool. To swim to the pool. We didn't try to the pool yet. Yeah, this is a pool. Andyan yung kulot ko. Let's go to the bus stop. So what is the problem? Countryside. We are having lunch in Tandoori chicken, Indian food, Indian restaurant. Because I did the chicken kimbap, salad, and sunshine as well. What you eat? I eat salad. No, we eat here because the beach is not open yet. No, it's table there. The beach is not open yet. Yeah, it's not open yet. Sit down and sit early. Okay, you don't want to sit down here and eat, I will go. I take the box and then I go back. Okay, go inside and then go inside and see. You want to go to the beach or not? Huh? You want to go to the beach? Yes or no? This is the second day. Then how are we going back? Tomorrow is going home. Waiting for our order. Good time. guys. There's a good salad. You can take away the bread. Why not the bread? And put the cheese here.
This is big for you. Ella, stop eating by yourself.
And some ricetta. What is that name?
Chicken kebab.
Chicken kebab. It's too much, guys. We just share with her dad.
Ella, eat by yourself.
This is our lunch.
My container is already. The container.
Where's the ketchup?
I'll get it. Yeah. This is
There is no more ketchup.
no, okay. That is a big one in the house.
I know. We want to that because it's not close. You're showing you now. That's it. Is it? Swing that over there. Now.
The fish is nice.
Spicy.
Iwasan mo. Okay? If you went, you put that plate, okay? You put the tomato. You come back inside.
Thunder. What's your job? Look, that's dirty job.
Yeah?
Thunder, no. Wipe your hand now. Mas na rin. Come on. Ayun guys, we are back here in the beach again. On the beach. Come on, me. So sorry. Ready for a swim.
Daddy, can I put my goggles on?
You bring the door?
Yes. Mommy, can I bring my goggles? Yes. Okay, I'm gonna put them on. Mommy, I need my goggles for the diary. I'm not diving in the water with you, Daddy, because Daddy, yesterday you swam with the float on.
No, no. I don't want to go to the water. I don't want to go now. If you don't, I will be cold.
You didn't take the towel. Sunrain only towel like it.
No, you can't go alone.
Ayan, sobrang hangin na guys. Hindi naman ito na to. Sobrang hangin. Ang lamig ng tubig. Layo ka talaga ng tubig guys. Ang yalo na ano, boya. Lapit na. Don't go there, just here. Lapit na. Yun, naabot na nakapit ng line. Sa sobrang ano, sa sobrang ano tawag nito? Roadside. So, matakot ang dagat. Pero unti-unti naman itong ano guys, unti-unti naman ito kabalik. Takot na kayo na. So ayan guys, good evening na dito sa UK.
Wait today. We are not sat here today. So, yeah.
Ito lang yung cake namin, siyempre nasa holiday kami, hindi kami nakabili ng candle. So, kakanta lang yung mag-ama ko ng ano,
Isa, saan po yung ano?
happy birthday for you. Just to sing happy birthday because we don't have candle. So I bought this
Come, baby.
cake and I try to eat as well. I grabbing this cake, the sweet one. Actually. Why you put it there? What?
Oh, camera is there. Sabi niyo.
Okay, dahil na. We sing the happy birthday na before the cameras.
Okay, okay. Ella,
Come on up. Where's the
come, Sandri. Come, we sing happy birthday for
because
Mama.
we're in holiday. It's difficult
Come,
because we're in
come.
holiday. So we don't have choice, di ba?
Come on.
Hindi na kailangan mag-ano at least nasa holiday kami. That's what the purpose of we go for holiday.
Next to money.
Because exactly the holiday, school holiday for the month. So that's why every time my birthday is holiday. So okay, let's sing happy birthday. 1, 2, ready, go.
Happy birthday to you.
Let's show you that.
Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to you.
What is that?
How old are you? Come on. Oh, wow. We are serious here.
Happy birthday to you. To me pala, happy birthday to me.
No, to you. No, we have to sing.
Yeah, you get to you, but
Happy
to me,
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. My friend, hold on, man. Happy birthday to mommy.
He's not the one. What they call it? Is the one?
Of course he's the one.
No, it's not.
Okay, you do it. You do it. You do
No,
it.
no.
Okay, let's go now.
Happy birthday to you. How was the day, Mohan? Happy birthday. Why you open there? We are not finished. We are not finished to sing it. Something there.
I don't understand this happy birthday. Everybody beating me. What's wrong?
Dali na, hurry up na.
Okay.
Happy birthday. We don't have cake here. Still, you are not singing properly. But happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday. Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday
to you.
Clap now. Sandri. Yo.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank
So,
you.
it is
Salaman. Salaman. People, salaman.
36 years
So,
old.
supporting.
I try to eat this, guys, with crabbing the dessert.
Mm-hmm.
Where your hand there is black, you're showing that.
What's my hand?
Why is this not clean? This one is of the chocolate.
Which one has chocolate? Okay, you take it. Oh! Is it happy birthday as well? In my leg, eh?
Smelly. Open.
No, Viva, don't open.
Open.
Wow.
We don't have plate, guys. Our paper plate is finished. So, come on, Nat. You eat. You try.
Something.
I don't want. No, thank you, please.
Okay, close it.
No, I want to listen to you.
I don't know, but just a quick.
90 things here.
We have time later.
Yeah, but come on.
Thank you, guys.
Okay, don't touch it. We have to change in the drink. Okay.
Yeah, you is.
Come on. We have to do this. Look, if I'm not happy, you say I'm not supporting you. This is, come on.
No
Come here. You going nowhere. Ella, Chichi. Happy birthday. Come on.
way. Happy
Birthday to mommy. Woo! Yuppie!
It's not cold. Not nice.
But this drink, even though it's not cold, look how it tastes. It's a delicious drink I never see. If you get to use
You're
it,
drinking beer, guys. It's not sponsor.
if you drink this, you will say,
No sponsor.
yes. This is a special for happy birthday for my wife.
Thank you.
Thank you, Salama.